Okay, today I am in a weight loss class, and I thought that's a good subject that I'll focus on today. So I am going to go down here to pick 5 cards so that I can see where I would most benefit from to help in my weight loss process, whether it's eating, exercising, or just allowing my body to let go and release what no longer serves it, which we will be releasing emotionally and forgiving it. And these are all connected. So I am going to choose this one and start. And I'm just going to be a little playful on this one and just do a quick draw and let the algorithm do its thing. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we've got 5 here. Let's take a look at them. We'll start with this one and zoom in. I'm going to put my hands over my belly with this one and say to myself, I forgive myself for believing everything in my life must be perfect. Whew. And breathe. I give myself permission to release any fear of not measuring up and making mistakes. Breathe. I am free to make mistakes and learn valuable lessons that help me grow. And breathe. That is perfect on the theme of weight loss. And now I love and see beauty in myself. Yes. And I am respectful to myself. And breathe. Okay. Now we'll do the second one. I, still holding my belly, I forgive myself for believing that my value cannot be seen. And breathe. I love and accept myself even if no one else does. Breathe. I am free to open up and share all my gifts at any time. And breathe. Okay, and this next one, we will put our hands over our lower left rib. This has to do with the spleen, the pancreas. So here we go. I forgive myself for believing that I don't have enough to give. And breathe. I give myself permission to believe that I will always have something meaningful to give. And breathe. I am free to radiate the energy of life and give freely to others. And breathe. Whew. And the front. I love and nurture myself. I am attentive. And breathe. Beautiful card for weight loss. And now for this one. This is hands over the heart. And I forgive myself for giving away my power to others. And breathe. I give myself permission to embrace life with passion. And breathe. I am free to be open and curious. And breathe. This really is a great card. And I love and explore all possibilities I am receptive, and breathe. All right, and the last one. Oops. We'll go to this one. Back to the spleen under the left rib cage. Let's say, I forgive myself for believing I need nurturing from others in order to be fulfilled. And breathe. I give myself permission to be self sufficient. And breathe. I am free to love and accept and nurture myself. And breathe. And I love and nurture myself. I am attentive. And breathe. And we'll return. And let's see, this one's already flipped, so I'm going to mark that one. Zoom, and let's watch the video on that. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Your brilliance is far brighter and shines so much further than you'll ever know. Be a light for someone else, even if you never knew you were. When you allow your light to shine in its full potential, you light up the darkness wherever you go. Okay, and back, and I can journal on this, and I will see you again tomorrow.